Good morning, students. So today, children, we will going to do lesson number 7, that is My Health in EVS. We are repeating this chapter. Okay. Health is wealth. What is health? Health is wealth. How? It means health is the most important thing for us. Okay. See, children, health. If we don't have good health, and we are having lots of money, we are having wealth is if we are a rich person or we are having lots of money, okay, we cannot enjoy that money without health. Understand? We cannot enjoy life without good health. So health is the most important thing for us. A healthy person is the happiest person in the world. This point to remember. So keeping cleanliness is the key to good health. Okay, the main thing, if we want to have a good health, we should keep ourselves clean. We can keep good health by following these steps. Now there are various steps which we have to follow, and for that what we have to do, we have to keep ourselves clean. Now how can we keep ourselves clean? So here I have written 8 points. Okay, follow these steps in order to have good health. Now first is brush your teeth twice a day. You have to brush your teeth regularly and twice a day, in the morning and at night. Now the second point, you should take bath every day. Take bath every day. Third, oil massage once in a week is good for our hair. So in our hair, okay, what we have to do, we have to massage our head with oil. That is very important. Number 4, we should wash our hair with shampoo. So wash hair with shampoo and comb them daily. We have to comb our hair. Then number 5, wipe yourself with a clean towel. Okay, whenever you take bath, whenever you wash face, whenever you wash your hands, you have to wipe it with clean towel. If you use dirty towel, then what is the use of washing? Okay, clean towel, and clean your ears with the moist towel. You have to make the towel wet, and with that you can clean your ears. Number 6, wear clean and iron clothes. Now what you have to do, you have to wear clean clothes. Now you have taken bath, okay, and still you are wearing the same clothes dirty, then what is the use of taking bath? So what you have to do, you have to wear, see, even for some reason, if you have not taken bath, you are sick, you are not well, at least change your clothes, clean clothes, and you have to wear iron clothes. Number 7, trim your nails every week. What you have to do, you should trim your nails every week, because dirty nails not only look ugly, but they have germs under the skin that make us sick. Now the last point is point number 8, always eat fresh and healthy food. Okay, so in order to be healthy, in order to have good health, you have to eat fresh and healthy food. You should not eat the food which is stale, which is kept in the fridge for 2-3 days, and again you are eating the same. Never do that. Okay, so this lesson, My Health, it was in chapter, in page 35. Okay, in page 35 you can see the picture also. You are having the picture, so with each point you can see the picture. Now children, for your homework, we'll do exercises from book only. So for that, with me, take out page number 37. A. Match the following thing to the body parts they are used to. Okay, so now what you have to do in match the following, you have to, here you can see, okay, You can see the, here you can see the body parts and the things, okay, which you use to clean. Now first is nail cutter. With nail cutter, what you do, you trim your nails. Now second, comb. Okay, you comb your hair, it will come here. Then the third is soap. You wash your face, you wash your body. Okay. Now shampoo. Okay, you are washing your hair. Then the last is the brush, you are brushing your teeth. This is how you will do this exercise. Now come to exercise B. B. Tick mark for the right and cross for the wrong statement. Okay, let's see. First statement. Samosas and chips are good to eat. They are not good. So you will going to cross it. They are junk food. They are not healthy food. 2. Fresh food, fruits and green vegetables keep us healthy. You will take it. 3. Drinking lots of water is good for health. Yes, you will going to take. 4th, we should wash our hair once in a week. No, at least twice or thrice you should wash. Then 5th, we should wear clean and iron clothes. True, you have to take it. So these are the 2 exercises that you have to do it in your homework and book only. Okay children. Now tomorrow we're going to continue the same lesson, second part of the lesson. So okay, we'll be meeting again tomorrow. Till then, stay home, stay safe.